Hi guys, Vladimir is here, Melbourne Decking and Landscaping. And today I want to show you and explain how to install a 3mm C-shape clip. Alright, so this video is about how to install a stainless steel powder coated clip that provides you a 3mm gap. It is also called a C-shape clip, and I'm going to show you how to quickly install it. We have already installed the starter clips, standard starter clips. You can have a look in the previous video. Link is in the description. Quite a simple thing to do. After installing the first board, we're installing our first row of the 3mm stainless steel clip. So you lift up a little bit of your board and you use it has actually 3 tongues and 3 holes, but 2 of the holes are not countersunk and 1 hole is the countersunk. I'm not sure if you can see it. Basically, you make sure that these 2 holes and a 1 tongue goes into your previous board. So you lift it up a little bit and then you push it in. It's made to be tight, so it goes in quite tight. And you put a screw in. So the same thing here, you're just putting it in. Lift up a little bit the board, make sure it goes in, and then you screw it in here. These are installed 2 C-shape clips. I want to say a little bit about advantages and disadvantages of the C-shape stainless steel powder coated clip. The advantage basically is that the gap is small. It's a 3mm gap, and this is what most people prefer. But disadvantage is that the screw is going to be under the next board. And what it means is that if you ever damage a board, in the future, or if you need access for plumbing or electrical, because your screw is under the next board, you will have to dismantle half the decking to get to that board if you want to take it out. This is a disadvantage. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe, like, whatever, and let's go.